your dick out of my video.
Oh, you gotta zoom in for that.
Okay, what are these?
Super shit parts.
Here, you work this. There's my leg. So you're thinking these aren't right like this?
No, I'm thinking there's shenanigans afoot. I almost cussed in your video.
Won't be the first time.
Effery, can I say that? Effery afoot.
Okay. These are 59,000 sticks. Did you zero that? 59 is not American size. It'd be a metric. How come metric rings don't fit in metric pistons? 59 thousandths. 57.5 thousandths. There's your problem. That's assuming we trust this caliper as not being undersized.
We do not.
Why don't you grab me the carbide ones over there by the milling machine, the good ones? These little worn out machine ones. Right behind the vise. See it?
Right behind the vise? What vise?
I don't know if there's a vise there anymore.
Oh, this one? Damn, that's a heavy box. What the hell?
Got something in there heavy.
Is that your brick box? Box of bricks?
For my balls.
Mm.
Okay, this is the double carbide one, so unless you chipped it again, it should be accurate. Okay. Yeah, this one's 59 instead of 59.5, so we're accurate.
Yeah.
See, if you had 16th range, which would be 62.5, then I would say they're probably wrong, but these are 59 thou. What's this, 4-inch bore?
Yeah.
It's 3.986 on the outside. What is 20 over, it said?
Yeah.
So when you measure right here, it doesn't count?
No, it doesn't.
What they do on eBay.
What if you flip it? If you ran the piston upside down?
3.983 bore.
Oh my god, they sold us the wrong one.
Well, they'll measure it this way. It's 3.74 bore.
Oh my god.
Nope, 8.8 again. It's almost the same. Let me get back up here. 9.3. What if you measure it the correct way?
Nah.
4.025. It's hard to measure. You'll have the piston's gone. There's 19.
It should be 19.
17.5.
No, sorry. It should be just under 17.
See, that's why I use a mic to measure pistons.
It should be just under 17.
This one you can measure better because it has...
It should be just under 17. Yeah, 16.5. Yeah.
So we know this is good. 58, 59.
The old zero clearance, huh?
59. 58. 58.5. Well, they're pretty accurate.
Consistently effed up.
Well, I'm not the one that sold you the ring, so 57 half there, so that's about right. The pin moves a lot better once you get the grease out of it. A little snug. So you're thinking there's something wrong?
Mm-hmm.
These are the second ring too.
It is.
So the top ring fit in the top ring, or
Yeah.
they're the same size, 58.
So it's the ring that's wrong. Don't do that.
What? 59, 59. I'll go upstairs and see if I got something better for you, but I doubt it. But I might. And we know it doesn't work. S&S.
Mm-hmm.
Should have bought good shit.
Yeah.
Okay, his ring's oversized. We figured that out. New ring's at 57, that's 59. I think that's your 1.5 clearance. You got probably.